Hi everyone. Thank you all for subscribing to this webinar. My name is Valentin Bartkowiak. I'm in the XLSTAT R&D team, and I'll be the webinar speaker for today. So the goal of today's webinar is to talk about analysis of variance, also called ANOVA. There will be some theory, but don't worry. I will be using the XLSTAT software to demonstrate the feature, and I'll also be sharing some tips with you so that you can make the most of the feature. Just so you know, the whole webinar will be recorded so that you can see it again at your own pace. It will be sent to you by email. There is a chat window in the GoToWebinar platform that you can use to ask me questions. So feel free to ask any questions that you have. I'll try my best to answer as much as I can at the end of the webinar. All right, so let's get started. So here's the outline of today's webinar. We'll be talking about XLSTAT and giving you a quick overview of it. Then we'll talk about the one-way ANOVA, which is the basic ANOVA. Then we'll talk about the ANOVA assumptions. There are a few of them that you need to check in order to make sure that the ANOVA that you're making is interpretable. Then we'll see the multiple pairwise comparison procedure and the non-parametric equivalent to the one-way ANOVA. We'll finish with a quick Q&A session where I'll be answering all your questions, and that's it. So let's jump into it. XLSTAT is an Excel add-in that has a lot of features for modeling and statistical analysis. We have more than 250 features that are all using C++ code to run, so it's highly efficient and very user-friendly thanks to the VBA interface. We cover 5 languages, and there's also an R gateway that will enable you to have other features that the software doesn't have yet. The learning materials are for all levels are as follows. So you have 400+ tutorials that you can find on our website, on our help center. You have more than 100 videos like the XLSTAT tips on our YouTube channel. You can see our webinars that we release once per month, and that you can see after you can see them again on our website. And we have some other in-app help tools and some training programs. So what is analysis of variance, or ANOVA? The analysis of variance is a model that is used to explain one numerical variable with a categorical variable, one or several categorical variable. They are called factors, and in the case where we only have one factor, it is called a one-way ANOVA. So in this example, we have the explanatory variable that is the sauce, and we're trying to explain the spiciness of which we're trying to explain the spiciness variable using the explanatory variable that is the sauce. So first, I recommend that we use a visualization tool such as box plots. These are my favorites. Here I've done a group box plot so that we can have an intuition on whether there is a difference of spiciness according to the sauce. So this is the question that we want to answer. Does spiciness significantly change according to the sauce, S1, S2, or S3?